Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert the decimal number to the percentage. So I have a dump here which I want to convert into percentages. Let me show you. Go to this cell reference equals to, write the formula. So I'm using text here, a formula to convert the decimal value. So I'm going to select the decimal value which is in I9 and then comma, and I'm going to select the format which is 0.00 percentage, and then I'll end the parenthesis. Hope the formula gets dragged till 12th row. Yes, so automatically it drags the formula. But what if you so this is good, but what if you're adding continuously after this row, which is 20th row? So we can automate the formula, like make it dynamic. So let me remove this. This time I'm going to add array formula. So this formula helps you to auto drag the formula. I'm using text function again, and then this time I will not select the single cell reference. Instead I'll select the whole cell references where you want to make it dynamic. So I'm going to make dynamic till 30th row, and then in quotes add percentage, close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now if you want to add like 0.22, it converts into 22%. So this is how you can convert your decimal values into percentages. Also, you can make these values dynamic, so that whenever you add something here, it will auto populate here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.